I gonna show you that it's not Gomi. Look at this. Wow! 4 attack damage. This one. Let's make a wooden sword first for now, before I forgot. Nice. Excalibur. 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 It's like Kaela used this word and then it pure. Name it Anya. Bro! Anya Melfies.
Get some help.
I'm auctioning Anya. Wow, this sounds so wrong. It's very yabai. Anya 2.0 Katana Edition. Bruce selling herself. I gonna show you that it's not Gomi. Look at this. Wow! 4 attack damage. It's just half the power from the netherite sword, but I believe it's better than iron sword. We need the demo? Yes, yes. See? Very powerful. With those enchantments, it's not bad. This is like the strongest wooden katana in the server. Nobody has it. This should be the demo during auction. It's time to grind!